In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in monday.com. This is a straightforward process that should take no more than 5 minutes. So let's dive right into making your monday.com boards even more informative and interactive. First up, you'll want to navigate to the monday.com website. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the login page where you have a couple of options. You can sign in with your Google account, which is the route most people take for its convenience. If you prefer, you can also choose to input your email address manually. If you opt to use the Google sign-in, a page will pop up displaying all of the Google accounts associated with your browser. Just click on the email address that you use for your monday.com account and you'll be logged right in. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the board where you intend to add your link. Select the board and it will open up, displaying all your tasks, columns, and other relevant information. To make room for your new link, scroll over to the last column on your board. You'll notice a plus sign button. This is where you add a new column. Click this and a menu will appear giving you various column types to choose from. If the column type you need isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Click more columns to explore additional options. Here you can either wander through the list at your leisure, or for quicker access simply type link into the search box. Once you've located the link column, select it. You'll see a new column appear on your board. This is your fresh link column, ready to go. Clicking on any cell within this column lets you input your desired link. A text box will appear for you to paste or type your link into that space. And if you want to make your board look cleaner or provide context with a custom label rather than displaying the full URL, you have the option to fill in a second text box. This step is optional, but adding a descriptive label can make navigating your board much easier for anyone viewing it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link into monday.com, linking resources, documents, websites, and more right into your workflow. This is an excellent way to bridge your board with any external resources that keep your projects moving forward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide as easy and helpful as intended. Until next time, take care and happy organizing on monday.com.